Hi children, today let us learn the usage of an before certain words. You cannot use an any way you want. Word by word, picture by picture, we will examine and see the usage of an before a word. It's a very interesting exercise. This will help you in your reading. When you read a text and there is a story of ant comes, surely you know you have to use an ant. Yes? Good. Let's look at each picture and the word carefully before putting the an before the word. Not all words need to use an, only certain words you must use an, and where you will see. Good. Enjoy your exercise in the usage of an before certain words. What is this? Yummy. Crunchy little apple, isn't it? You like to eat an apple? Fresh. Apple? Spell apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Now, if you have the vowels before the first letter of the word, in this case, apple begins with A. So, A is a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. If you have A, E, I, O, U before the word, then you will use an. Here, A. The vowel A is used. Therefore, we say this. We don't say a apple, we say an apple. You got to be very careful. Please give me an apple. This is an apple. This is an apple. An apple. Why an apple? Because A is the first letter in front of the word apple and it is a vowel. Good. Shall we go to another picture? Good. I hope you're enjoying. What is this? Umbrella. Nice green umbrella. Spell umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. In front of the word umbrella, it begins with U. The word umbrella begins with U and U, letter U is a vowel. So we use an before the word umbrella. Now read an umbrella. This is an umbrella. This is an umbrella. Good. Let's go to another picture. See what you have here. Elephant. Let's look at the spelling. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Elephant. The word elephant begins with a letter E, which is a vowel. Therefore, we use an before the word elephant. Now, read. An elephant. This is an elephant. An elephant. Good. Let's take the new picture. What do you have here? Your favorite. Yummy ice cream. Ice cream. Let's look at the spelling. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. Eyes. Look at the spelling of eyes. I-C-E, eyes. The first letter I is a vowel. Yes. So we use the word and before the word ice cream. Before the word ice, we put an. Now read. An ice cream. An ice cream. This is an ice cream. Good. Let's go to another picture. Look what you have. Toy aeroplane. What is it? Toy aeroplane. Spell A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. What is the first letter of the word aeroplane? A. And A is a vowel. A-E-I-O-U. A is a vowel, so we use an before the word airplane. Now read, an aeroplane. This is an aeroplane. Good. Let's take a new picture. What is this? When people are sick, old people are sick, or anybody who is sick or accident, we use this white vehicle. And what is the name of the vehicle? Ambulance. Let's spell it. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E. Ambulance. Ambulance. Read that word, ambulance. The word ambulance begins with the letter A, which is the vowel. So we say an ambulance. Make way. An ambulance is on the way. This is an ambulance. Good. Let's take a new picture. See what you have here. Who bites you nicely? After you eat some sugar or sweet, you don't wash your hands, they will come and bite you. This is, what is it? Ant. Spell ant. A-N-T. Ant. What is an ant? A tiny little insect. They always go in a group. Yes? And for ant, the word and begins with the letter A, which is a vowel. So we use an before the word and. An ant. This is an ant. This is an ant. Good. Let's take a new picture. See what you have. This is a nest with a lovely huge egg in it. Spell egg. E-G-G. Egg. Spell egg. E-G-G. Egg. The word egg begins with E, which is a vowel. So we use the word before the word egg and. Now read. An egg. This is an egg. An egg. Good. Let's take another word. What is this? Axe. Who uses this? A woodcutter or your daddy. Spell axe. A-X-E. Axe. The word axe begins with the letter A, which is a vowel. So we use in front of the word axe an. Now read. An axe. This is an axe. An axe. Good. Let's go to another word. What is this? You love to eat this juicy fruit. Yummy. Orange. The name and the color both same for this fruit. Spell orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. The word orange begins with O. O is a vowel. In front of the word orange, we use an. Now read. An orange. This is an orange. This is an orange. Good. Let's take another picture. Look at this. What bird is this? Good. Owl. Where do you see the owl? In the tree hole. When? At night. Spell owl. O-W-L. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. The word owl begins with letter O, which is a vowel. So in front of the word owl, we use an. Now read. An owl. This is an owl. An owl is a night bird. It only comes out at night. This is an owl. Shall we look at another picture? We are learning now the usage of an before certain words. Look at this. Who flies high in the sky? An eagle. It's got sharp beak and very sharp eyes. High up. You can see down what is happening. Okay, now spell eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. What is this? Eagle. The word eagle for this little bird, it begins with E, which is a vowel. So in front of the word eagle, what do you use? An. Now read, an eagle. This is an eagle. An eagle flies high up in the sky. An eagle has sharp eyes and sharp beak too. An eagle. Let's look at another picture. Look. Who is this? An astronaut. Who is an astronaut? Who goes into space, into other planets or into the moon. Astronaut. Spell astronaut. A-S-T-R-O-N-A-U-T. Astronaut. The word begins with A, which is a vowel. So in front of the word astronaut, what do you use? An. This is an astronaut. An astronaut goes into outer space. This is an astronaut who travels in the outer space. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Look what you have. We'll have to travel in this. What is this? Engine. Look at the engine. Lovely little engine, and the engine driver is there, ready to take the train on a long journey. Engine. Spell engine. E-N-G-I-N-E. Engine. The word engine begins with E. E is a vowel. In front of the word engine, we use an. Now read. An engine. An engine is attached to the train so that it can pull the train to any long distance. An engine. An engine has an engine driver. Yes? An engine. Good. Let's go to another picture. See what you have here. What is this? Ink. Who uses ink? Your teacher, your daddy. This is an inkpot. Inkpot. There's a lot of ink in it. Okay? There's ink in it. You can open a pen, fill ink and write. Spell inkpot. I-N-K-P-O-T. Inkpot. The word inkpot begins with I, which is a vowel. So in front of the word inkpot, use an. Now read. An inkpot. An inkpot. Good. Shall we look at another picture? See what we have here. Here's a vegetable that makes you cry when you peel out the skin. If you go to peel this onion, you will cry. Spell onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. Now, the word onion begins with O, which is a vowel. So, we use in front of the word onion and. Now read. An onion. This is an onion. It's a vegetable. Good.